Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I want to take you through our range of corner finishing tools now. Again, this is something that we've continued to refine and improve over the years as we've incorporated more CNC machining. The product has just gotten better and better. So we cover the full range of angle heads, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4 inch. The new 4-inch angle head's doing extremely well. Again, CNC machined out of billet aluminum. This is the only one in the Level 5 range that's actually billet aluminum on the body. The other ones are cast, but still high quality CNC machine. Again, they all cover the same 7-year warranty on material and workmanship, so we're 100% confident we're not going to see any premature corrosion on any of those aluminum bodies. We've got the robotically welded stainless steel frames. So these frames are very, very high quality, robotically welded and then polished to just give you a nice finish. We use carbide blades and skids. You'll find a lot of folks use carbide blades and stainless steel skids because you want those they want the stainless steel skids to wear faster than the carbide blades. We're not a fan of that, so we use actually the carbide skids and blades so we get a more even wear pattern. And again, we spend a lot of time just to be meticulous about how these are set up. We do a lot of hand polishing, hand grinding on these edges. So when you pull this out of the box, it shouldn't need to be, quote, broke in. These should be broke in out of the box. And that's a difference between what you'll see from some other manufacturers and Level 5 tools. We want you to be able to pull this out of the box and get that on the wall and not have any problems with it tearing tape or not leaving a perfect finish. So again, you'll see across that range 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4. And you use those in the combinations that you're well aware of. We've got two sizes of corner applicator box. Of course, very traditional design here, but again, very, very smooth operation. We have an extruded billet aluminum attachment bracket here on the back, which is very, very strong. And then you've got, again, a stainless steel cone on the front, which was a change we made about 3 years ago versus a composite and stainless steel cone. We went to an all stainless steel cone. We have seals, rubber seals underneath all of these so that we don't have to use silicone to seal the insides of the corner applicator boxes. So again, very, very smooth operation. You'll find it to be a very nice tool when you've got it on the wall. I want to mention the corner applicator. This is our traditional handle for the corner applicator. I want to show you this because this is the way you attach it. Once in a while, we'll get a video of a guy saying, hey, or a call, my corner applicator is not working well and they've got the handle on backwards. So you always want to have it in this direction as you're putting it on the wall versus that direction. You don't want to have the handle turned the opposite direction, otherwise you're going to gouge the tape and have some massive problems. And again, we've got across the board the extendable handles. We cover everywhere from, we go up to 52 and then we have another one that goes up to 72. Again, very, very smooth operation. You've got multiple stop points with these handles. Again, very, very strong design, very high quality anodizing across the board, and again, the 7-year warranty, so again, you can't go wrong. Very lightweight as well. The other thing we do is we have a replaceable head, so if you have one handle, you can actually just buy the individual heads and pop those off for a variety of tools. We'll cover the corner roller, the corner finisher, the corner applicator, and also our nail spotter. So if you just have one of these tools, you can just buy the heads and again, save yourself some money. So across the board, we have everything you need to finish your corners. And I think you'll be very, very pleased with the performance of these tools. A lot, again, of just user testing and feedback that have gone into helping us make an absolute great product out of the box. Check us out at level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.